Hey guys, it's Jungle Jimmithy. We're out here in the pouring rain and the dark. We're going to be surviving the night with no food, no water. I mean, rain, but like no purified water. So we're going to be hunting, sheltering, getting water, all that. So it's going to be a great tutorial.
What are you doing?
Yo,
What are you?
I'm not doing anything.
What?
We got the blaster, got the dagger, and we got the secondary knife right here, nice and handy. We're about to go hunt for some something. I don't know what we're gonna get, but hopefully it's something we can eat. Otherwise we're gonna have to resort to leaves, and that didn't go well in the last video if you saw that. But we're just gonna start hunting. So hey guys, so we're looking for some fresh, nice and moist dirt. You wanna rub this all over your face. It's a perfect camouflage. No one will ever see you. I think I just feel like a worm right now. But that's good. Hopefully it stayed on there. I don't know if it did. But oh my gosh, I see one right there. Got a silencer on this thing. Can't hear anything. Right there. Dead in its tracks. Smiling and everything. Well, we're gonna go back to camp. Then we'll get this baby and eat her up. Hey, so we gutted that one, the run rabbit or whatever, and we got like a probably like half a meal of meat. So we're out here looking for something else because we need to get something else. I mean, no one's gonna survive off that. So what is our luck today? I think I got him.
Okay,
Let's go see what it was.
Yeah.
Well, okay, so we got our food. We're nice and fed, but getting thirsty, so it's time we found some water. And it looks like we got a perfectly clean puddle here. Oh, just gotta get some. Oh my gosh. Here we go. It's definitely warm. It's definitely not, definitely not snow right there. Okay. As you can see, that's totally clean. Just gonna take a drink. It's good. It tastes great. Just like those leaves.